Hello students, today I am going to teach you GK and our lesson name is Traditional Indian Art Forms. We all know that everyone is different from another and everyone know different types of art. Some are interested in that singing, some are interested in that mehendis or rangoli. That is also different types of art. So what is given in our lesson? Let us see. What is meant by traditional dance or art? Firstly, I tell you, listen. Traditional dance can be defined as any local dancing location often strongly connected with local musical forms and local beliefs. Means it is depend on the that area or that people's minds or that people's faith. So our lesson name is Traditional Indian Art Forms. Traditional or so many years ago, which arts people know, how they preserve it, which works they do for that all information we have given in our lesson. Lesson name is Traditional Indian Art Form. So I tell you information of some types of that different types of Indian traditional art. But we all know that different types of art forms. First one is Tanjore art. This is also one name of dance or art forms. What is type of art? Tanjore art. Then second one is folk art. Third one is Madhubani painting. This is also one traditional Indian art form. Then fourth one is Warli folk painting. We all know that which types of that Warli's painting. Yes, in online class we are deeply discuss on that. Okay. Next is Rajasthani miniature. Rajasthani peoples, we all know that their costume is also different and their language is also different from us. Then painting and calligraphy. These all are the different types or different name of art forms. Now see in your book. In our book have also given information about traditional Indian art forms. We have given that whole pictures. We have given in, if you open your book, then you also know about, you have given whole picture also about that art and information also you have given, but only little box is there. With help of that pictures and information you find out name of that art. So firstly we see with help of the pictures given below, identify the correct art form. You can refer to the art forms given the help box. Means how you refer that? You have given help box also, clues also. So first is, it is believed to be one of the oldest form of art in history. It is believed. Whenever that is happen, it is an oldest form of a, or it is gone in a history. Then it is a style of tribal art mostly created by the tribes in the mountainous and coastal areas of Maharashtra. Where we have find out is coastal areas of Maharashtra, and it is also one type of tribes. We all know that tribes, different types of tribes. Last year we study about that. Now see, third sentence regarding to that first art. The materials traditionally used in these paintings are cow dung, mud, red dung. Firstly, see, again I read, the materials traditionally used in this painting. Which material used for this painting? Cow dung, red mud, rice paste, cow dung, red mud, rice paste, then and a paint brush also. But how it made? Made by shaving one end of a bamboo sticks. Bamboo sticks we all know. So anyone guess what is the answer? Yes, correct. Answer is Varli painting. When we open book or whenever we go and there is given pictures regarding to that, so without help of any clues we give answer. This is the type of Varli painting. Yes. Now see second one. Second one, here is also you have given information also and picture also. So I read, listen. The style comes from a small village in Bihar. This style is come from Bihar, and in that small town or village, natural dyes are used to make figures in vibrant colors, and for this art use different types of or vibrant colors. This folk painting is named after the region of its origin. It name that literally means the forest of honey. And clue we have given, it names literally means forest of honey. We have given clue, forest of honey. Yes. So answer is Madhubani. Yes. In this way we see traditional Indian art forms. We have given more 3 also, but that more 3 you have to read that information also and identify the pictures also, and then see in help box which clue is comes there. So use your own power also, or think and then suggest the answer and write in your box. If anyone curious is there or doubt is there, so we clear it in our online lecture. Thank you, student.